Hello guys, and welcome to another exciting video on this channel. Now this video is made for those people who are not living in the United States and whose main language is not English. Now this is a very basic absolute beginner video for those people to set up a payout method for different print on demand marketplaces, namely Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Spreadshirt and Merch by Amazon, so that you can be easily get paid from these platforms to your bank account. I will be using Payoneer for this purpose because some of these marketplaces require you to give you some bank account details, and some of these payment methods require just to give you their the email address for your payout method. So I'll be using Payoneer for this purpose, but you can use TransferWise as well for some of these marketplaces, not all of these. Now why I'm using Payoneer for this purpose is because some of the countries do not have PayPal available in them, and or some of the people living in those countries in which PayPal is available but they don't want to use PayPal for some reasons. So I'll be using Payoneer for this reason mainly. Hopefully you will find these steps to be simple and this video to be a bit easy to set up this payment method, and for that purpose I have divided this video into different sections for different marketplaces, and I'll put the timestamps in the description below, so if you want to skip any marketplace you can move to your marketplace for which you are looking for to set up a payment method. So do check out the description for those timestamps. So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, now I am not going to show you how you can create a Payoneer account. That is can be a separate video or a separate topic. In this video I'm just going to show you how you can get the required information from your Payoneer account if you already have a you can say that authenticated or activated Payoneer account. So for that purpose, if you sign into your Payoneer account, if you go at the top to this tab receive, under this receive tab there will be an option called global payment service. So once you click that global payment service, you will be brought to the next page, and in that page you will have different payment services available for different currencies, and I have already available different payment methods of USA, Euro, UK and Japan. I think they are automatically added by Payoneer to my account. I didn't add them manually, but if you do not have a payment method especially for the US added to your account automatically, you can you might find it something like that, as I already have here a payment method to add a Canadian dollars. So you might find something like that with the US flag and a plus sign, so you can add payment method. But if they have already added that US payment method to your account, you can simply go to that US payment method and view it. You can click view details or simply this arrow, and you will be brought to the next page or a pop-up page which will be something like this. So this is the required information that we need in order to set up a payout method for some of those marketplaces. So you will need a bank name, bank address. I think these marketplaces does not require you to provide them a bank address, but anyway Payoneer does provide it to you. So then there is a routing number, account type. That mostly would be a checking account. I don't think Payoneer provides you a savings account. So then there will be a beneficiary name, and that will be your total full official name. Now one thing I would like to clarify here is that this bank account or these bank account details provided by Payoneer or TransferWise are not the actual bank accounts. These are virtual bank accounts, and they have provided some guidelines in order to receive payments without any kind of problem in these bank accounts or your Payoneer account, which means that you can use it for those marketplaces which send the payments through a business account, not from the personal accounts, and also they send the payments in US dollars in the form of ACH network, or they do not use what's that called, I think that's called Swift payments or something like that. So international transfers which require Swift network, they do not support it, and also you should be aware that they do not support wire transfers, so only ACH payments. And as far as I know, all of these marketplaces that I have mentioned use ACH transfer, so you don't have to face any kind of problems. So you can write down these details or on a piece of paper, or you can simply copy it in the form of any word editing software like Notepad or any other thing. So we need these kind of details in order to process the in our next steps for the payout method. So let's go to the next steps for the Redbubble. So once you sign into your Redbubble account, at the top right corner you will, at the top, as I already just put a red circle here, that is just to that is a kind of replacer for the account, your thumbnail, your account thumbnail, your account, or you can say that upload DP or of your account. So at the top of your right hand side, right hand screen, right, not right hand screen, at the right of your screen you will find your DP, and once you click on it, or just move your cursor on it, you will find this pop-up kind of a banner here, and in this manner you will have to go to the account settings. So once you go to the account settings, you will be able to see these kind of details towards the left of your screen. You will have different options to for your shop settings, sales history, payment history, all that. So in that, under the account settings, you have to go to your this tab called edit payment details. So once you click this edit payment details, you will be brought to this section, in which you will be able to provide your PayPal address if you want to use a PayPal address, or if you want to use Payoneer bank details, you will be able to provide it. So option 1 is to use PayPal verified PayPal account. So you will need a PayPal verified account if you want to choose it, but this is not the video for that. So we choose option 2, that is ACH direct bank deposits. Now it is already mentioned here clearly that they send these payments using the ACH network, so which is good because Payoneer supports it. So for that purpose we will need a routing number, as I've already shown in the step 3 of Payoneer section. So routing number, bank account number, and the account holder's name, that will be the same name, yours name, as they have, that name is mentioned on that Payoneer website. So use that name, complete name, do not misspell it. Then account type, that is will be again the checking account. Now here I would like to mention here, if you have a real US bank account, not a virtual bank account like Payoneer or TransferWise, you can use maybe saving account for that bank account as well. So that can be helpful too. That can be very helpful if you have a real bank account. But how to get a real bank account in the United States, that is a totally separate video, and I might discuss it in future. So this is how you can provide the payment details to the Redbubble to receive payment from Redbubble, and after providing these payment details, they might verify that account, and then you will get an email probably that your payment details are accepted. I'm not sure whether they send you an email or not, but this is how you provide them your payment details. Now let's move to the TeePublic. So once you sign into your TeePublic account, at the top right side you'll find these 3 accounts, and in the center there will be your DP or the store icon which you have created. So if you click here on this store icon, this drop down menu will appear, and in that drop down menu you will have to select this my account. So once you click the my account, you will be brought to the next page, in which you will be able to edit your payment details, edit your password and all that. And if you scroll down, you will go to this sections called payments. So in this section you can either provide a PayPal or email address or a Payoneer email address. So as you can see that they do not require your bank details, they just require your email address for of your Payoneer account. So the email address that you have used to set up your Payoneer account, you should provide that email address here. And that is a 2-step method on TeePublic, pretty much a lot simpler as compared to the Redbubble. Now let's move towards the Teespring. Now after signing into your Teespring account, towards the left you will find these different options, these different tabs, and what we need to select here is the settings tabs. So once we click on this settings tab, we'll be brought to the next page, a new page or new, you can say, panels will appear, and in those panels you will have the option to edit your details and also set up a PayPal account and your Payoneer account. Now I already have my Payoneer account linked to my Teespring account, so I don't have any kind of button here which I can show you what you do, but you will see a button here in which I would hopefully you will see a button here which will hopefully, if you click it, it will take you to your Payoneer account, Payoneer website, and on you have to sign into your Payoneer account, and then your Payoneer account, they will give you an option whether you want to link it with your Teespring account or not. And once you link it, it will be automatically linked. You will not have to provide any kind of email address, any kind of bank details. So this Teespring platform and Payoneer, they have partnered together so that they do not require any kind of these details, bank details or email addresses, so it is automatically done. So this is how you set up a Teespring payout method for Teespring. And once that linked account is verified, it goes through the process of your review. You will receive an email that your Payoneer account is linked with your Teespring account, and you are good to go with receiving payments from this platform. Okay, now next we have Spreadshirt. So once you sign into your Spreadshirt account, on the dashboard, as it is mentioned here, on the left side you will see this kind of panel, and as it is highlighted below, the dashboard is highlighted. So on the right side you will see the dashboard details, your sales and all that. But what we need to focus on here is that if we find if you might have to scroll down depending upon your screen resolution, but on this under this panel towards the end you will find these double arrows and that this human icon. So either you can click double arrows and then the human icon, or you can simply click this human icon, person icon, and it will bring you to the new page on which you will find these different details. Now depending upon your account, how you have set up and what you have opened or not, these panels might be expanded or collapsed. I have all of these panels collapsed here, like personal information, account settings, newsletter subscription, payment data, text status, and connect device. So what we need to focus here for our payment method is that we need to set up a payment data. So we will click on this payment data, but beware that you have to have filled out a text form, I would say, before you can set up a payment data. So make sure that your text form is already submitted, it's approved, and then we can set up a payment data. So you can click on payment data, or on this downwards arrow, if you click it, it will expand that panel and you will get this information here. So in this information, either you can provide a PayPal address, but as you can see that this video is for those who do not have a PayPal account. So what we need to do is we need to provide our bank account details, as I already shown you in the start of this video for that Payoneer introduction. So we'll need account holder, that will be your complete name or the name that is mentioned on the Payoneer website. Next we will need an account number, we'll need the routing number, bank location, that will be United States, not the actual location that the Payoneer provides. It will be just the country, in which country you want to send your payment, that will be United States. And then the name of the bank, that will be the same name that Payoneer provides you, as I already shown you at the start of this video. So once you provide these details, they might verify that account, or maybe they just accept it, as you already have your text form accepted or approved. So this is how you can set up payout method, Payoneer as a payout method for Spreadshirt account. Now let's go and move on to the Merch by Amazon. So once you sign into your Merch by Amazon, at the top you will find, whether you are on the dashboard or pretty much dashboard or any of the other these tabs like dashboard, create, manage, analyze, and advertise, any of these pages, at the top right you will find this my account option. So once you click the my account option, this is the page that will appear. So in this page, either you will find these kind of details, personal details that you have to fill out, or also if you want, you can either click on payment and banking information, tax information. This is something that you have to fill out, I would say, before providing the payment or banking details. So either you can click on this payment and banking information, this tab, or simply you can scroll down this page and you will be at this section, which is the payment details section. Now I already have my bank account attached to the my Merch by Amazon account, that is why I'm already seeing it, one of the account details here. But if you do not, you will have this kind of option, is add bank account. So once you click on this add bank account, you will bring a new panel or new you can say a section of this page will appear, and that will require you to first choose your bank account, where that bank account is located. As I have already said, Payoneer provides you a bank account in United States, so here you will choose United States from this drop down menu, and the next you will find details that they will require. So these details are basically kind of the same as you have already provided on Redbubble or Spreadshirt. So we'll need account holder name, that will be your complete name as mentioned on your Payoneer account, and then the account number. So after the account number, there is this option verify account number. So I'll talk about this a little bit later, but let's focus on the rest of things. So we'll need a routing number and a name of the bank. So name of the bank the same, routing number is the same as I already provided on Redbubble and Spreadshirt. And in the options of checking and savings, we have to choose this checking account, because this is the type of account that that Payoneer provides us. Now what is verify account number? No, I'm not really sure what happened when I was actually signed up for my Merch by Amazon account, what happened here. And but if I remember it, and if I guess work here, it is the just repeating of your same account number. So you have account number and your verify account number is the same thing. So whatever the account number you put here, you have to put the same account number here. As just like the passwords, when you are creating passwords on websites, they provide you the option to create a new password and then repeat the same password. So in my opinion, this is the same thing. And if it doesn't work, let me know in the comments below. I might find out what does this really mean, verify account number. But according to my understanding, verify account number, in this section you have to put the same account number, and that's it. And then you add the account number. Now here is a little bit different here. Merch by Amazon is a little bit different here as compared to the other marketplaces, because they verify this account number by sending a payment of, I think, $0.1 to your account. So once they send the payment of $0.1 to your account and you receive it in your Payoneer account, they will know that this account is real. So after that verification, you will be able to receive payments from Merch by Amazon into this account. So these are the marketplaces, and this is how you can set up a payout method, Payoneer as a payout method for these different marketplaces to receive payments from these marketplaces for your earnings or for your designs. Now towards the end of the video, I would like to bring your attention to this channel. Now this channel is mainly focused on providing information, design related tutorials, and information of online earning, mainly on print on demand through different marketplaces and platforms. And this channel is currently not monetized, so it means that Google or YouTube does not pay me at all anything. So there is literally zero income from this channel, or you can say zero benefit of creating these videos. And as you can guess, it takes time to create these videos and edit these videos. So if you want to appreciate this channel, if you find these videos and these topics to be helpful, make sure that you like the video, and also don't forget to press the subscribe button, because your subscriptions help me achieve that limited, or that limit of threshold, that threshold limit at which this channel will be monetized, and hopefully creating these videos will have some kind of benefit for me as well. So if you benefit from these videos, you can help me get some benefit from creating these videos as well. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press that bell icon so that you can be notified about my future videos as well. And if you have any questions, any confusion regarding this video or any of my previous videos, you can ask me in the comments below, and I will be happy to answer those comments, and if I can. So hopefully I will see you in my next video, and thank you for watching.